Bound morphemes are two types. Number one is derivational morphemes and number two is inflectional morphemes. Derivational morphemes means the elements or morphemes those which are indicating the change of meaning of words. Suppose if you add the inflectional morphemes, then the words can change its meaning and we get a different meaning or different participes. Suppose good is an adjective. If we add ness with good, then it is called goodness, and goodness is a noun, but good is an adjective. Help is a verb, but if you add er with helper, then it is called noun. So in this way, derivational morphemes gives you different types of word meaning and out of space and its change. On the other hand, inflectional morphemes just helps us to change its grammatical function. Inflectional morphemes change the words and its grammatical function. Suppose help. If you add ed with help, that means helped. So help is a present tense, but helped is a past tense. On the other hand, if you add s or es, suppose boy plus s equal to boys, so boy is a singular noun and boys is a plural noun. In this way, it changes its singular and plurality. Singular and plural. That means inflectional morphemes change the form of plural and singular and tenses, whether it is past tense or present tense. Even it helps us to get the superlative, comparative and positive degree words. Suppose beautiful, more beautiful, but if you say that is the good, best or better, suppose good, better, best, these are not counted. Longer, longest. Long is an adjective, but long plus er, that means longer. And long plus est equal to longest. That means longer and longest change its form. Long is a positive degree or a positive form. Longer is a comparative form and longest is the superlative form. In this way, er or est help us to change its form from positive to comparative, comparative to superlative. In this way, some elements or morphemes helps us to change the words, functions or grammatical functions. They are called the inflectional morphemes. But derivational morphemes only change its meaning, its form from noun to adjective, adjective to adverb or adverb to verb, etc. etc. But inflectional morphemes helps us to get the form of tense, singular, plural or different type of degrees. In this way, two types of bound morphemes helps us to change the words in two fields. And one is its meaning or part of speech field and another is its grammatical functional fields. In this way, we get the bound morphemes for different purposes. Especially or generally, we use prefix suffixes and suffix always change its part of speech and prefix always helps us to negative or positive form of the word. But suffixes always helps to change the word's meaning and grammatical function. These type of elements or morphemes are all bound morphemes. And especially it is divided into two classifications, that is one is inflectional morphemes and other is derivational morphemes. So root word, if you think that what is root word? Root word is the word that you cannot break the word anymore. Suppose you never break the word cook. If you break the word cook, so it is destroyed. If you break the word eat, so it is destroyed. But if you say helper, so you can divide the word into two portions, help plus er. That means helper equal to helper. So help and er are two portions of the words, but help cannot be broken down because if you destroy the help, then it will be meaningless or vanished. Its word's positions. So help is a root but helper, so it takes the suffixes to make it noun. In this way, we call the root words when they have existence. If we hit the existence, the word will be destroyed. So if the word is tight and is in position, then the word is called the root word.